Hey, this is Jason with the local Locksmith company. Today I'm here in Southgate, Michigan. I'm making a key for this 2018 Dodge Ram pickup. Here it is right here. Got my dog friend over here talking to me. But anyways, it's an 18 Dodge Ram. And if you know this vehicle, this one has the security gateway. So we have to use the bypass cable. And this is the 2011, I think, bypass cable. It could be the 2011 or the 2012. But anyways, we're into the Dodge area. We're gonna select by model. We're gonna go to Ram right here, and it's gonna be an 18. And then we're gonna go to continue the programming, and it tells us about the gateway module. Okay, and then we're gonna read the number of keys. There's 3 keys on the system. We're gonna put the 4-ways on. So you gotta have the 4-ways on. We are adding 2 keys. There's one here. It doesn't work. And there is one here that doesn't work. And these are Blue Rockets from American Key Supply, good keys. Okay. Now, it says read the pin code. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the key in the ignition. I don't think we're going to turn it on. We're going to leave it in the off position. We're going to read the pin code. So it's going to tell us if it reads it. Pin code is 2034. Okay. And now we're going to program add a key. We're going to add a key, and it's a fobic. And then turn the hazards on and the ignition off. Okay. So we're looking up on the dash. We're going to look for any sign that it is a... So it says the key is in the ignition. Right there. Okay, and then it says, okay, number of keys, okay. Place the new fobic in the ignition, leave it in the lock or off position. It auto-populates the code. Alright, here we go. Programming success, okay. We're gonna go back. We're gonna go back. We're going to read the number of keys. Now there's 4 keys in the system. Okay. We'll take this key out. We'll hit the lock and unlock. We know this one works. So now we're going to do the same thing again, and we're going to add another key. It's going to be a fobic. It says turn the hazards on and the ignition off position. Okay. Number of keys 4. Place the new fobic in the ignition in the lock position. That just means leave it off. Do not have it turned on. Alright. It's going to pull the, it's going to program the key. Perfect. Alright. Should be done pretty quick here. And this is the Auto ProPad G3 Evolution. This one's taking a little longer than the other one, but there's nothing, shouldn't be a problem. (2018) and up, you have to use a security bypass cable, which that is here, and we plug right into the right in there. And you also have to have it plugged back into itself, so it's got power feeding into the OBD. And then this has a wireless VCI, which is right here. So this one doesn't have a problem. This one says programming failed, so what we're going to do is we're going to back all the way out. And we're going to start from the beginning. Okay, so we're going to go 2018. Okay. Okay. We're going to read the pin code again. 2034, okay. We're going to read the number of keys. 4, okay. We're going to add a key. Fobic. I'm going to turn it off, okay. Number of keys 4. Fobic's in the key. There we go. Pulls the pin. It'll probably be quick. Hopefully. Let's see what we got. This happens. This is generally what happens when you want something to work smooth, it doesn't work smooth. Let's see what we're doing here. This one doesn't feel like it's going to work. Alright, I'll put you on pause just for a second.